YouTube, welcome back. We continue today our journey in discussing this blog post from the programmatic engineer. And today we will talk about how LinkedIn measure productivity. So, okay, let's be real. Like measuring developer productivity is quite hard. It's really hard because a lot of lines of code, maybe you are too shallow. Maybe if you make too many commits per day, you might like mislead the person who wants to review your productivity and performance after all. So what actually works? In today's video, we will talk about that. So today we are diving into LinkedIn approach, which basically a company over 10,000 employees and a serious investment in developer happiness and effectiveness. We will talk about first, we will learn the 3 channels LinkedIn uses to capture insights. We will know also the metrics they actually care about and why they don't blindly trust numbers. They listen to developers too. Okay, so first we start with the LinkedIn Developers Insight Organization. So LinkedIn operates independently within Microsoft, and it has a centralized developer insight team. That team is a part of the broader developer productivity and happiness organization. Okay, it's called again Developer Productivity and Happiness Organization. Yes, happiness is literally in the title. So, what is their mission? So, first, they measure developer experience. Number two, they reduce friction. Number three, they improve internal tools. Number four, they provide insights to engineering leadership. But how do they do it? They use the 3 channels of measurements. So LinkedIn capture developer experience through 3 channels. Number one, quarterly surveys. So it's about 30 questions, takes about 10 minutes to complete, run through a custom built internal platform. Also has had some smart logic personalizes questions based on real-time developer data. This surveys will help capture how developer feels about their job process and workflows. Number two, real-time feedback system. Between surveys, LinkedIn uses a real-time feedback engine that first monitors developer actions. Number two, sends targeted micro survey based on triggers. Number three, uses throttling to avoid annoying devs. So if you push code and experience as a slow pipeline, for example, you might be prompted a question with, "Hey, how did that build? How did that build feel?" It's reactive, specific, and fast. And lastly, number three is sorry, I hit the mic. Number three is system-based metrics. So lastly, LinkedIn captures system-level precious metrics. Think like build times, CI performance, deployment success rates. All of this data flows into global system called iHub, which powers custom dashboards across team. This blend a quantitative and qualitative feedback provides like a 360-degree view of productivity. Okay, next we want to talk about what metrics does LinkedIn actually use. So first, for developer net satisfaction measures, like it's measure overall satisfaction with dev tools, and it's collected quarterly as we talked about. For developer build time, it's like measures how long local build take. In the code reviewer response time, it's basically talk about how fast reviewers respond to PRs. In the post commit CI speed, how long it takes for code to pass the CI. And the CI determinism, and this one, it's basically measures test reliability, aka how flaky the tests are. And lastly, deployment success. It's basically how often production deployment success. They don't just stop at raw numbers. For every metric, they ask also how do developers feel about this. Okay, so I guess this video is pretty quick. So we are at our final thoughts. So to wrap it up, here is what LinkedIn approach teaches. First, combine surveys like real-time feedback and system metrics. Number two, track key experiences like build time, code review, and CI. Number three, mix quantitative data with developer sentiment. Number four, use advanced status to avoid misleading medians. Number five, be like don't fail on the trap of the composite scores, because they are tools, not truth. They might mislead you. So that's it for this video, and see you in future videos.